Because it's not only the speaker and the sound that he or she is vibrating, but it's the love that they're also vibrating. The love and the realization and the compassion, and whatever makes that being that's speaking, that's what's vibrating inside the voice that you're hearing. That's why it's told in the Bhagavatam that when the advanced devotees speak Harikatha, then particles of dust, particles of pollen, it's very beautiful. It's in the maybe commentary of Vishnu. It says when the Vaishnavas are speaking Harikatha, then the particles of pollen, the particles of flower pollen from the lotus feet of Krishna are mixed in the words they speak. Really sweet. It's like you could have honey, but then you can have honey mixed with flower pollen as little yellow powder. It's more nourishing and more tasty.